part 3. It's part 3 na. Let's go na. We're going to have some party.
No na. I'm so sleepy.
Okay, go sleep then. I will go do something taas here.
Mami.
Ano?
Call your friends and party here, and don't, and you, mamaya yung sarado this baga, they gonna, storbo me to sleep, okay?
Ang oras na natutulog kayo?
10. Because I'm wake up 5 pag I wake up. I sleep at 10.
No, when you sleep at 10, you will wake up late. My man sleep at 10. He wake up at 10 and 11 pa.
Ha, 11.
And 9, no?
Ha, I wake up 10 night. I wake up at 5. Yeah, 5 o'clock. I wake up at 5 o'clock. Bukas guys, 5-3. Ay. 5-3. Part 3. Why there's super ingay in here taas? Mami, why there's a ice cream?
Go down.
Ladir.
Go down or paano pala yun?
Who's that?
Arot, no?
Mami, I gonna go down and Lotto for me only. Mami, I gonna get a fridge. I gonna get my favorite Coca-Cola.
Okay, donkey. You can do whatever you want to use. So,
Mami, it's not opening. Mami?
there is. Oh, don't come.
Mami, why is not opening the fridge?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Bukas daw is my birthday. Okay.
It's Friday, so you're half day. But your teacher said no, you have no school. Ira have no school pala.
Because I'm not absenting, di ba? And then they're always absenting. Uy. Ay, oo nga pala, hindi ko cellphone ko. Gonna go to the view.
Ira,
Bakit?
it's AM, di ba? It's Friday. Let's go party.
Mamaya.
Wait lang, I will go take someone pala. Wait lang.
And you really, I'm TikToking. And I say also no.
Hello, who is this? Ano yung TikTok? Let's check this. Ano, sana all may TikTok dance. Alam ko ito. Let's Ira, what are you doing?
Ang TikTok dance pala. Okay, nandun TikTok dance na. Sir, why see the view? So beautiful view. Namaste everyone. Ay! Cellphone, cellphone.
Bro, stop dancing. You're kind of cringe.
Ay, bakit si Mami?
Ano?
Yung cellphone ng Herman.
Let's go invite your friends. So, let's go. Anong ginagawa mo? Oh.
I don't like my friends.
Wait lang, I'll be right back, okay? I'm gonna go get some I need to get some
Okay, okay.
Ira, stop doing that to? Stop doing like that, Garudo. That chair will be broken.
Ang tagal ni mama ko. Ay, ito. Ay. Aray, sige kita. Oh my goodness.
We're in a private server.
Hala!
Wow.
Okay, gonna drive.
Guys, we're in private server, but this is public net to.
Yeah,
This is public, now it's private to. Ah.
ay, ano? Ano to guys? Ano may picture ka? Ay, mo pala to.
4 na. Let's go to the part 4. Part 4 coming soon, no?